Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. When Jimmy Johnson won NASCAR's Top Points Championship with a record-setting fourth year running, his car was equipped with a carburetor manufactured by BLP Products of Orlando, Florida. BLP manufactures high-quality performance engine parts, including engine drive components, BLP Billet carburetor components, BLP Billet Racing carburetors, gaskets, belt-driven fuel pumps, and fuel system drive components. BLP carries one of the largest Holley performance bulk carburetor service parts inventories in the industry. BLP also offers special machining services to their customers. Their confidentiality for their customers is paramount with them. Commitment to their customers is exemplified by continued expansion to include increasing both floor space and adding modern computer numeric-controlled machining centers. Their in-house engineering staff and research and development department enable BLP to fuel your passion for extreme performance. BLP has added 4 new machining centers this year in order to better keep up with demand, along with creating the ability to create new products to add to their already vast line of performance products. Only the finest in USA-grade materials are used in BLP machined parts, ensuring only the best in quality parts for their customers. BLP also offers special machining and laser marking services to their customers, allowing custom configurations. BLP is proud of its long-standing status in the industry, its staff, and most of all, its commitment to serving you, its customers. Get a boost with extreme performance and visit BLP at blp.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.